Now I've started you up there, sat on my cat tree, so hopefully you can see most of what's going on. I'll move you about probably as the video goes on, so if you get a little bit seasick, apologies in advance, but there we have it. So not sure how much talking I'm going to do in this one, so you might just have to bear with me. And like I said, first time I'm looking at this one, as you can see, cracking it open. So I don't know if it's all, if there's going to be any problems. If I have any problems, you'll see them with me. You may also find a couple of shots of my dog in here as well, so, or dogs. One of them's asleep. So. Frank will pop up every now and again. Winnie boy. Cowboys. I'm going to have to hoover again after this. Box one. No idea what's in there. Assuming the motor. Yes, this is an electric one. Forgot to say that. Cardboard. Cardboard. I'm definitely going to have to re-hoover. Never mind. Plenty of cardboard. Cardboard. Sun Savers newspaper. Always good. Cardboard. Oh, right. Ooh. They look like legs. Let's get this out. 1, 2, 3. Make sure there's nothing else in there I need. Box. Sorry if you just got a bit of a moon there, apologies. Let's just tidy up a little bit. Chuck all this in here. Now, last year, Frank, last year I had a 4-frame manual extractor. It was one of the ones where you put them in, spin it, take it out, turn it around, put it in, spin it again. One of the centrifuge ones. And although that served great when I only had a few frames to open up or a few frames to extract, hopefully this year and from now onwards we're going to have quite a lot. And I just don't want to sit there and hand crank it all the time, which is why, like I said a little while back now, I thought I'd treat myself to an electric one. So, let's have a look. Instructions. Cardboard. Honey trap. Don't need that yet. Cool. Pack them in there, well. They didn't pack them in there, I'd only complain. Just slide that off. Cut that off. Cut that off. Okay. Legs. Now, I know this sort of video might not be everyone's cup of tea, but when I started this channel, I designed this channel to try and document what I'm doing, try and document everything that I'm doing on the way of beekeeping, which is kind of what I'm doing now. Kind of, this for us as a beekeeping company, or hopefully to be a growing beekeeping company, I should say. This is a big deal. So I hope you like it. Hope you enjoy the video. If you do, fantastic. If you don't, my apologies. What was that I think of? Yeah, let's get that off as well. That's our honey tap. Oh, there's a dog going in the background. Let's get that on before I lose it. I'll put on Lucy for now. I need to grow up tighten up too much. I'm not going to be extracting honey anytime soon. Oh, cables. No idea. Okay. Let's tie this up again. Right. I'm hoping I've got bolts in there. Hopefully this will be on, mate. Yeah. Yes. Shh. No one saw me drop that, alright? Dog's on one. Now, so I don't bore you too much, I'm going to read the instructions whilst not recording. I'll be back. So, to save a bit of time, what I've done is I've put these together. So this is the first time I've ever bought anything where I've had to put my own knobs together. There you go. Every day's a school day. So I've found some knobs for my legs. I'll get a couple of these on. Don't get me wrong, they're nice knobs. Never thought I'd say that. So they see, a problem I've got. Oh, there we go. There we go. Knobs are a bit sticky, stiff. Right, they go on like so. Now I've got 3 legs to go on, so I'm gonna pause there again, and I'm gonna stick all 3 legs on, and I'll be back in a moment. So, as you can see, we have 3. Excuse the dog. We have 3 legs on. You know what? This isn't a cheap bit of kit, don't get me wrong, but it is the basic line. It's the cheapest one I could get because well, I need to try and save as much money as I can, but you know, the build quality of it's really quite good. You know, I'm really liking it at the moment. Happy bit of kit. Right, next up, what I'm going to do, as I bring you up here, look at that, beautiful bit of kit. So next I'm going to get the top on, the 2 side flaps. So let's get that on, and I will be back in a bit. Okay, so we've gone a little bit rogue off the instructions because, well, the instructions are a little bit pants, if I'm perfectly honest with yourself. So we're kind of working off our own back now rather than using them. We have got this, one of the plexiglass lids, and what I'll do is we're just going to stick the other one on as well. Very simply, hinge is screwed into the bottom, as you can see that. So I'm just going to stick this one on now, and I'll be back. So that is, we've got the lid on, so we've got both sides of the lid on. It does look, like I said, I'm going a little bit rogue with the instructions, but it does look really nice. Really happy with it so far. Next up, we're going to get this on. This seems easy enough to stick on, so this is a control pack for it. And so next up, I'll get this on and I'm back. Okay, so I've taken you off our old tripod thingy, so I brought you down so we can have a proper look at what we've got as an end result of the building. So the build itself has taken us about an hour to get from everything out of the box to where we are now, so not too long. But I think you'll appreciate the fact that I've just shown you the bits as they go on rather than me showing the whole build, because some bits are a bit of a pain, but we got there. So this is the piece of kit we're talking about. We have got a 12 frame radial extractor. Like I said before, I was using a full frame manual one and it was just a pain, so I'm so glad we got this one in. So I've got it all plugged in, I've got the control box on, I've got everything else sorted out. Just going to give it a quick test run, see what happens. So if you'll join me, we have a red light, we have a forward and reverse gear. Let's put it in that way. Ooh. Well, that squeak's not going to get annoying. Oh, would you look at that? That is a thing of beauty. I'm so happy. You don't know how much that is going to save me work. So chuffed. Right, I'm going to turn it off before I drive the dogs mad. I've got Frank over there thinking what is going on, and I've got Dexter behind me, our dog, being a bit worried as well, so I'm just going to close that up. So happy with that. Right, that is the unboxing video that I've put together for my what is it? It's a Lyson basic 12 frame radial electric extractor. Build quality good, instructions a bit rubbish. Actual mechanism of it seems simple and easy to use and should be absolutely no problem at all. And like I said, first initial thoughts is I cannot wait to get this going. Just so you know, this isn't an endorsed advert or anything like that. It's as my own true opinions about this. Build quality good, instructions rubbish. Can't wait to get it going. So roll on summer, roll on spring, happy days. So that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. It is just a quick unboxing, get this going sort of video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you do, please give us a like, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up. I really can't wait to get this season going properly. Thank you so much for your time, for joining me, and again, like I said, please subscribe and all that sort of stuff, and thank you so much for sticking with me. You take care of yourself, have a great day, all the best, yeah, bye bye.